สวัสดีค่ะในช่วงนี้เรามาพบกับ Coquitlam College ค่ะ College ชื่อดังจากเมืองแวนคูเวอร์ค่ะ Hello welcome to Thailand
Hi, I'm Tommy from Coquitlam College. Very nice to meet
Yeah
you.
nice to meet you too can you please introduce Coquitlam College to our students please
All right, thank you. So first of all, the Coquitlam is the city where our school is established. For over 40 years, from 1982, and last year we moved our main campus to Vancouver. Actually, it's the Vancouver East. It is the resident area, so it is very good for students to look for the homestay to live there. They don't have to travel so far.
The new campus of Coquitlam College is located at a very nice building area, actually next to the Rainful SkyTrain and lots of new facilities, new store, and also next to another arts college. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Wow.
So in front of our campus is a rainforest stations. So the student they just live in that areas. They can go to school very convenient.
And what are the most popular programs at Coquitlam College, please?
Yeah. So we have our two main program. Actually, we have three. It's a university transfer program. We also have the high school program and the ESL, the English for student also.
Wow, very nice. So if the student don't have like IELTS or TOEFL or Duolingo, they can start with the language program at Coquitlam College before they start the main program.
Absolutely.
Wow.
If the student they don't have any English, they can start from the ESL program and then they can transfer to high school or university transfer pathway program and then they can go to the university. Yeah.
And what are the uniqueness about the high school programs at Coquitlam College and what grades that you offer?
Right. So the high school in Canada, different states they have different rules and regulations. So in British Columbia, in order to get high school diploma, you need to accumulate 80 credit. Like 20 course. So in 20 course, you need to complete in 3 years. Year 10, 11, and 12. As long as you get 20 course, then you can get the Dogwood diploma. They call Dogwood diploma. Yeah.
Can you please explain the differences of studying high school at the public school board versus studying high school program at the private college like Coquitlam College? Why is a great choice for international students?
Right. So the difference between public school and private school is the class size. In public school, normally the class size is larger, and in private school, the class size in our class is like 20, 21 students. So the teachers and students have more chance to interact to each other, and we can like monitor their performance. We can ask and like give them more homework or anything if they feel weak in this area. And the second thing is our private school. We're more flexible. We have 3 semesters per year. So actually, students can graduate the high school earlier than 3 years. So if they take the summer course, 3 subjects, then they can graduate even faster. And special thing is we have some dual credit and also advanced credit. If student can even they take the university credit when they're in high school, so it is very good for them too.
And the university transfer programs are very popular. Is it in arts or arts transfer or which program that are popular?
Okay. Our university transfer pathway program, we have 1 year or 2 years. We offer business, art, and science. So normally, if student they want to go to university like UBC or SFU, they normally do some research. They do some science, and if they want more practical, if they want to go to KPU, something more practical, they go for computer science. Yeah, those.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And what are the accommodation options for a student that would like to come to Coquitlam College?
Okay, for accommodations, mostly students can stay in a homestay, so they can have the interact, with the culture, with the local people, and um, normally our the fee for the homestay is very affordable in Vancouver because we own the homestay. We don't go to the third party, but actually our school arrange a homestay for students.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's very nice. And do you have any entrance scholarships for international students?
Yeah, right. Right now we have 25% scholarship for the first year tuition fee. So actually our tuition fee is very affordable right now. And on the top of that, we also have 25%
Discount.
scholarship
Scholarship.
for student too.
That's excellent. And for students that want to apply to Coquitlam College, what do you have to do?
Oh yeah. So for student in Thailand, if you want to looking for some affordable and very smart way to study to get a bachelor degrees in Canada, and especially in Vancouver, you can apply to Pacific Premier. They are one of our recruitment partner for a long time. Yeah.
Thank you so much. See you in Vancouver. See you at Coquitlam College.
Thank you and see you.
Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.